Okay, so this or that, which one's better? Okay, so we're gonna start with this. Okay, we're gonna start with this one, and this is a remote. It works. It's a power drive. It's actually a good performance. It's on the side. So now we're gonna press this button. But I don't want it to be open right now because I don't want it to be on dry sitting right now. So I don't want it to run right now. It's there's a this, and now we're gonna start with that. And this is the secret mod. This is the other car, and this one is also with twins. This is a what's this? This is the key, and it just stuck. It's stuck. But there, got it. It's here, and I'm gonna use it a little bit because I don't want it to run right now. And you also press the recording for the remote, since the remote is just covered and it has this bulky chain. And now you press this button again. This keep pressing because I don't have the remote for that one. So I know you love this video, but just click this button to subscribe. Or I forgot I'm not done with the video, but why?
Porque no pueden.
Why?
Porque se como rara la panza, ¿no?
What? Okay, so this one didn't work for this one, so I'm going to try that car. And I think it's locked. This one, I'm gonna try here. It's locked. It's also locked. This let's see, but I see it. Okay. But it's something so bright.